So today what I'm going to try to do is to use this folding water dispenser. It's an automatic water dispenser that I picked up on Amazon for $17 and fit it on top of this Scepter 20-liter water container or 5-gallon water container. This is those standard military size water containers that you can put on the back of your truck. So it uses this lid, and what you can do is fit the water dispenser in here just by press fitting it. So I'm gonna take this out. It's a pretty nice unit. You pull this and the water comes out of here. You feed the water through this bottom here, and this opening is about 3/4 of an inch, and this opening is about the same. It's a little bit bigger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Dremel tool and grind the inside of this down just a little. It's about a millimeter, half a millimeter too wide. Now I can also do it on the end of this, but this is a little thinner, so I don't want to take away from here, and I can do it on here. And these caps are about $17 if I mess it up, but I doubt I will. It's pretty thick. The way this dispenser works, and I haven't used it, so I can't really give an honest review of it, but I've just tested a little, and I'm going to test a little bit later once I get everything installed. It uses a USB-C charging port in the back. You press it and it tells you how many milliliters has been dispensed. So I'll show that a little bit later. But the reason I got this is because I found the diameter of this opening and found that this one was close to it. It's the only one I found on Amazon, although I'm sure there are others that you can find. So I'm not necessarily promoting this specific one, but it is the one I found, and it seems to be of good quality. I'll provide the link of both of these, this and this, down below in the description where you can buy it on Amazon. And for a total about $65, you can get this set up. And that's what really drew me to it, because it's only $65, whereas other features that I've seen people use can cost upwards to $100. And so I'll get started. So I'm just using this knockoff Dremel tool with a little grinding wheel. It's just perfect to fit in here, and I don't want to take off too much, like I said before. So, by the way, I haven't done this, so I don't know if this is gonna work, so we'll do this together. There's also a little seal portion here, which prevents water from leaking when you're tipping it over, and that's why you don't want to Dremel the outside or too close to the edge, and just the middle part. So I'm going to see how that is fitting. That's much better than before. I should have showed you what it was before I did it, but when I would press fit it on and shake it a little, it would pop off eventually. But now it's not even coming out, and you can see it's pretty solid. So I think I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit more. So that was just to smooth out some of the burrs I made. It wasn't to take away too many too much of the material. So that was me shaking it pretty hard, and I don't intend to leave it on the truck while I'm driving. It's meant to be set up at camp. So yeah, it fell off because I was shaking it kind of hard just to see how hard it would take to get it to come out. And it looks like if you use Dremel and do go in and out, it's a lot easier to smooth out the edges than going around. It kind of likes to gyrate around when you do that, but if you go in and out like that, it's a little bit smoother and easy to handle. Okay. All right, I think that's about as much as I want to do. It's got a nice tight fit to it. And like I said, it's not going to be rocking back and forth when I'm on the trail because I'm not leaving it on the jerry can. I'm going to be setting up at camp. So now I'll put the included hose with it. You can see it's more than long enough. More than long enough to reach the bottom. I'm gonna fill up with water and I'll show you what it looks like. So I just came back from a long bike ride. I'm pretty tired. There were a couple of steep climbs, but it's always nice to get back and have accessibility to water. The other thing I like to do is just kind of wash my hands, wash my face after sweating from a hike or a bike ride, and it's always nice to just have a dispenser. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoy the video and you take the time to make one of these for yourself. For $65, you can't beat it.